Hi, this is Dubiss Forex Academy. Welcome to our weekly analysis. All right, today, 29th of April 2024. All right, I'm excited today. This year, this is the second analysis we are giving out this year. And last week, Monday, we analyzed the market, and I can tell you that most of the trades moved as predicted or as analyzed. So if this is the first time you're seeing our video, please subscribe to this channel, all right, and then turn on the notification button. Ensure you like, comment on this video, and I want to appreciate as many that have commented our last video. You watched it and you commented. We really appreciate you. So we are going to see how the market performed last week and also what we're anticipating in the global financial markets this very week under review. So let's start with XAU-USD, XAU-USD, which is gold. Right, last week we told you that if you're trading gold, that you should be very careful. All right, we sold gold and we bought gold, so we make profit from gold, though we didn't send signal to the free group. All right, so I'll try this week to see if I can send some entry points, some signals to the free group, which is our Telegram free group, Dubiss Forex Academy. If you are not there, please just go to your Telegram and join us. Ensure you join that channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. All right, on Telegram, Dubiss Forex Academy. So join us. We'll be sending free trades there. But if you want to have get all our trades, all our signals, then you need to reach us on Telegram at Dubiss1 on Telegram. All right, so we'll show you how to join our paid group for signal services. We also train people. We have education. We focus more on education. We train people on how to trade, and then we have signal services, and also account management is available. So like I said, gold is very risky at the moment to trade, but we have been trading, buying and also selling, and we made good profit last week. Today also we've bought gold today. If you want to trade gold, it's better you go to lower time frame and look for opportunity. So we started buying this morning, and it got to our TP4, just few pips away from our TP5, which is 23.45 is actually our TP5. Right, so right now gold is around 2330. Right, so at the moment I'm not giving any signal on gold right now, but if you look at the direction of gold, what is happening on a bigger picture, all right, gold may actually see what I'm thinking may happen. This is, you can see the movement when it broke here, got to this point, then this is what I'm anticipating may happen. We may see a failure swing. All right, XABCD pattern. Right, okay, so meaning that most likely gold may move further up towards 2380 area, then from there gold will fall down. All right, so this is my analysis for this week. It's not an entry point, all right, just to show you what we're anticipating, the direction where we feel that gold will go. So let's go to GBP-USD. GBP-USD, last week I told you that first scenario, that it may continue to break down up to this point based on this harmonic pattern, that it can get to this point, which is around 1.2380, so then bounce back to here and then fall down. But I told you that this is not very likely. That what we feel most likely will happen is that from this point where price is now, price will now fly up, then go and hit here. From there price may go down. So at the moment we bought GBP-USD last week, and also we are also still buying today. So today it has hit at TP1, the one we entered last week. It has hit almost TP3, more than 150 pips made from GBP-USD. For those that watched my video last week, if you take the trade, look at where I told you that from this point, look at it, this is almost 200 and something pips for those that enter that trade. So this place where price is currently is a resistance, okay, key level. So what will most likely happen is that price could actually break this resistance, all right, so that you don't sell with your full chest. Price could break here, all right. So let's remove this other one because what played out was this. So let's take this one away. So come back here, retest here, and then continue to move up. This is what most likely also, if the trend reverse to bullish trend, then meaning that this is how what may likely happen. So if you did not take the trade last week, or those that are not on our paid group, because I sent it to only to paid group for this week, for today on, so you don't need to enter a buy at this point. So we need to wait and see what will happen here, if here will be respected and fall. So what most likely may happen is what I've said before, price respecting here and falling down, or we may see price break it, retest it at a support, and then fly up. So these are possible scenarios that may happen on GBP USD. So trade with care. All right, Euro USD, congratulations is again to those that took Euro USD. We told you that price may go up like this and fall down. If you watch, you see price did actually move up. All right, if you check where we are, this is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So where we are is around here. So if you check those that enter the trade, this around 100 pips made from Euro USD, right? So look at where price is right now, which is a key level. It got there. Look at it. This particular candle touched here, and it was, you can see it respected it and come down. So today price trying to push up. So like I said, possible scenario at the moment is price may continue to move up to now get to this trend line here before price will now do what? Fall. Okay, before price fall. All right, or where it is right now, price will just drop from there. So we need to see what will happen here before we know if we continue. But we are on a buy for Euro USD, and we are still on a buy. All right, so we are anticipating price to get this point to this point. If you check our free channel, you see trades that we sent, as in the report of our trades last week. You see that Euro USD is also there. We made profits. I think we entered it last 2 weeks. Yeah, we entered Euro USD last 2 weeks, and we are still on the trade. Okay, so AUD USD. AUD USD, same thing. Congratulations once again to all those that entered the AUD USD. You can see we are here on Monday. This is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and this is today. So let's see how many pips AUD USD have made. AUD USD from here. AUD USD have made over 180 pips. AUD USD over 180 pips. Okay, so congratulations once again for those that enter the trade. So there is possibility that price will continue to grind higher, even to chase either this level or even this level on top of this level. All right, so price will continue to chase there. So meaning that we could continue to see maybe price just rotates here, as in move sideways here and then move again. We could actually see price move again up to this point. So there's every possibility, but it will not just move direct and get to this price, which is 0.6869 area. Okay, so price we definitely have to move a bit up and then up and down, before it will get up to this point. So but another scenario is what we analyzed last week, which is price respecting this zone and then falling. But from what we are seeing, price is still very much bulls are still very much active. So they are still very much in charge. So meaning that ADUSD may move higher this week. Same with NZUSD. NZUSD have not really gotten to a point where we are expecting that price will get to. All right. If you measure, let's use Fibonacci and measure and see the retracement the point has gotten to. So these retracements have not. It's very close to 38.2. Where we are thinking that price may respect and continue to go down is around 61.8. So at the moment now it's around 38.2. But congratulations anyway for those that picked the trade last week. You watched the video and then you took action by entering the trade. Let's see how many pips we've made. Okay, this is over 90 pips also from NZUSD. Amazing. Our analysis was spot on last week, and what you can do for yourself is always to follow our channel, follow us on all social media handles, Dubiss Forex Academy, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, then YouTube, and then watch our videos, okay? Then you know the direction of the markets. So we still believe that it may still go, price will still most likely move higher, at least to touch 61.8. So let's look at USD card. We sold USD card. Okay, remember I talked about this head and shoulder. Yes, look at the head and shoulder we talked about, and you can see how the head and shoulder have played that very well. Let's go to daily. I think I used, yes, we saw a chart pattern as in harmonic patterns on daily, and I told you that USD card may be on its way to this support level, and you can see that price have really hit almost there. Price is almost there at the support level. So this is where we are last week. Let's see where we are. This is daily. Yeah, this is where we are. This is Friday, and this is Thursday. This is Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. This is where we are. And I remember I told you once this particular place is broken, price will go down, more down. Based on this head and shoulder, we saw that price will get down up to this point to confirm this head and shoulder. You can see that it was confirmed. We saw it on H4 and even on day one. Look at it. Look at the H4 head and shoulder, and look at where it went back and retest this particular point. I told you that once here is broken, once here this particular spot is broken, then you see price down. So for those that enter the trade at the break of this structure, let's see. Okay, 90 pips also profits. Congratulations once again. So USD CHF is still moving sideways. It didn't move. Yes, it actually moved, but and it was rejected that same day. But for those that picked the trade, look at it. It moved almost. Look at it, 90 pips, almost 100 pips. Yeah, 100 pips. From this point to this point, it was rejected. It went back up. So it moved 100 pips. For those that picked the trade, 100 pips before it went back. But it's still at this point. So here, two possible scenarios. Like I said, I told you even last time that it may actually break there. But what I was seeing is more of down instead of breaking here. So for this to come here and it was rejected, we may most likely also see that price may break here, retest it as a support, and then you see price take off to this other structure, this other resistance level. Price take up to this point. Okay, this is possible scenario what may actually happen for USD CHF. So at the moment, if you want to trade USD CHF, you better wait, all right, because you may enter sell and it will break it. So but once you see price for breakdown here on the lower time frame, then you can enter your trade for a sell. So we are still believing that most likely price will come down to this point. So let's leave it like this and see. This is the first scenario, which is not very much likely. What I feel that most likely will happen is the second scenario. Not that the first scenario will not happen, or it's not cannot happen. It may actually happen that it will break here and then come back, retest it as a support, and then price move. You look by this side, you see the price 0.9120. Okay, that's 0.9100 area. Okay, so let's go to GBCHF. GBCHF. We didn't take trade. I told you that most likely price. I remember I told you that price will most likely touch this resistance here. We entered a buy. We on buy, and actually I booked most of the profits. Then watching to see if price will continue to break here before I can take new entry. At the moment, I visited most of my positions. The one that is available that I see on, I've actually moved stop loss to entry point or into profit. So if you check from when we analyze, and you see that we are, so we analyze here that we should buy from here. Look at it. This is almost 250 pips. 250 pips made from USD, from GBP CHF. Congratulations to those that took that trade. So this week, most likely, as you see that price have respected here, it may continue to come down. Okay, so right, so it continue to come down, meaning that price will give us something like this. Something. Let's use. Let's see. Harmonics. Okay. Okay, so what I'm saying is something like this, taken here as a starting point. So something like this, okay? So anyway, I think let's leave it plain like this. So meaning this was last week on what we analyzed last week, and this is this week on. Okay, last week on has finished playing out, so we better remove the last week on. So let's leave only this week on. So it may come down, or price could actually still break it. All right, you may see something like this. Let's shrink it. Okay, when you check, you see that here is also, see the level we identified here before. So it may be difficult for price to break here, break it. Okay, but who says never? Because it could break it, retest it, and then price continue. This is second scenario, but this is the first scenario, which is very much possible that price could respect there and fall, but it could also break, respect. Like I said, I'm still on a buy position on GBP CHF. So GBP, let's go to JPY pairs. JPY pairs was crazy. All right, I told you that price could actually respect here and move that, but meanwhile, before then we were buying GBP JPY, and I told you that we are buying because we believe that price will go up to touch here, but we never knew, I never knew that price could really rally the way it rally, came to this structure, to this resistance point, which is the demand zone, supply zone, and price broke it last Friday. Today it continued up before it flashed down, but I've actually made profit last week when we bought, and we also decided to sell, and it hit our stop loss. Today we sold the first trade entry point hits SL, but the second entry point has given us over 250 pips. These are amazing. So for GP JPY and for all JPY pairs, there may be more intervention by Bank of Japan, that's BOJ. So until then, so I believe it was fundamental that pushed it down today. Okay, because it broke, it was just moving one direction, so it may continue. All right, to, it may be that this rally have ended. All right, this rally that was rallying like this, maybe that it has ended. Okay, so you better look for opportunity to sell than buy. So what and we do, which I've already done, I've already exited my trade, my sell position, while I watch to see what happens between now and tomorrow to know if we'll continue to sell. So but me, I'm of opinion that we need to short this pair at least back to this point. Look at it from here to this point, which is around 190, 190. Let's use horizontal line and see. Okay, yes, I want 191 area. This is where we're thinking the price could get to that point. All right, for Euro AUD, we I didn't really give a signal on Euro AUD or did much analysis on it. I told you, price has been moving, though we actually sold Euro AUD last week. Okay, so if you're on that sell, you can exit your trade because anything at the moment price will continue to move up, but it has been in a range for some time now. Look at where it's ranging from this point to this point. So you can see this is the point, from this point on to this point. So market has been ranging. So most likely, since it has been ranging, so it could come down here, then before flying up. That is for Euro AUD. So Euro NZD, I'll come back to JPY pairs. Let's finish Euro NZD. I'm on that trade. I told you it took time to break from this consolidation. So, but we still believe that price will still go down more. It's many small. It thought at 8.2. We have 50.0. We have 61.8. So we still believe that the analysis still stands the way it's analyzed, meaning that Euro AUD we sell more. We have to sell. USD JPY, the same thing with what happened in JPY. I told you that all JPY pairs was crazy, moving one direction. There was no retracement in sight, but today we did have a good retracement, and I can tell you we grabbed the pips. All right, I'm going to send the result of our trades. You will see it. The first entry hits SL, second entry we got more than 25 pips. I mean 250 pips. This is awesome. So today we could still see price get down more, and that is USD JPY. And this week also, not just on today, this week. Same thing with AUD JPY. So in fact, all JPY pairs most likely will retrace more. So the retracement started in the morning. So we need to wait to see how the market closes eventually. Let's see the price action for daily. For daily chart, then we'll know where we have to follow and how we have to move. Okay, Euro card. All right, Euro card. We believe it to go down. Still consolidating. Same point. GBAUD. Yes, GBAUD. Actually, we told you it was moving down. We told that it's most likely to get down more to touch this support zone, which is a demand zone, and friend there to now fly. So I can tell you it got very close to it. It have not touched it, but it's already going up. All right, and if I were you, I would buy GBAUD. I'm already buying GBAUD, and it has hit my TP1, right? No, as it's on profit. It's on profit. It's on profit. I started buying from 1.90, yeah, 91 rather. It's on profit, but I'm not hit TP. So it's still very much active. If you see this video at this point, you can buy GBP AUD. Okay, finally GBP card. GBP card is the last pair we are going to analyze today. Okay, for GBP card, remember when we draw this, which I showed you last week, and I said as far as price broke it, and we were here last week, and I told you what will happen is price trying to retest here and then fall. But from what I'm seeing, price may retest here and even continue to go up. May even continue to go up before even falling. Maybe go to this other trend line. So So you need to be careful. Don't place entry point at this point. If you did not get the video to join us last week, you did not watch it, I did not join the trade, don't take it again because it has already moved. Let's see how many pips that moved for those that joined the trade last week. So 239 pips. This is awesome. Almost 240 pips. Okay, so that is GP card. So we believe that it could respect here and fall, or it could also break and then go to the next level. Okay, so I want to appreciate you for staying this far to watch analysis, meaning that we are giving value. If you stay and watch up to this point, meaning that you're gaining value, because if you apply these trades based on how we analyze it, definitely you will make some money and some cash, cool cash. So let's see our Telegram channel. All right, so our Telegram channel, this is our free Telegram channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. This is our free Telegram channel. Please just go search for Dubiss Forex Academy and connect. The network is a little bit slow. Look at what we made last week, 3,050 pips. That was what we made last week. This is awesome. And this is our group is connecting. So this is what we made. So that's it. Network is a little bit slow. So, but this is our Telegram channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. The free channel is this. This is the free channel. All right. So if you go there, you see all the trades, the results. I wanted to show you. You see when we drop the trades, like this is the when I told you the trades, the JPY US JPY will drop, and it have already hit TP5. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching fundamentals. Okay, let me just see if we can just get a little fundamentals what we have this week, so that we'll call it a day. Okay, like I said, I'm having a little network issue, but just go to your forexfactory.com and then look at the red folders. You see the calendar, the economic news we have this week. All right, just look at the forexfactory.com. all right, so you can see our channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. This is our channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. All right, so join us, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button, ensure you like this video. These are some of the comments we have last week. Thank you very much for your comments and your wonderful review. We appreciate you. All right, so this is our channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. This is the video, the one we sent last week. So this week we're going to upload this also, so that you can watch it, and then let's have your comment at the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers guys, see you next week. Cheers and bye.